Hi, I'm Kelly. I am a customer experience lead here at filtersfast.com, and I'm going to be showing you how to install the WF645 filter into the housing. When you get the filter, it's going to be encased in a plastic, so you want to go ahead and remove the plastic and remove the cap from the filter. You're going to notice that at the bottom there is a red arrow that says align, and you're going to align this red arrow with the notch here on the top of the housing. You're going to insert the filter here, and you'll notice that there's a notch on the inside of the housing and a notch here on the side of the filter. You're going to insert the filter and you're going to turn it until it will no longer turn. If you're pushing the filter in and it's not turning, that means that you are aligned with the wrong notch.